Winning product and ad strategies for your e-commerce business, dropshipping. A pearl necklace? We did it, and you can do that too with the help of this service. Read on. After years of testing and analyzing ads, we found the gold mine strategy of the right product presentation and effective advertising. We know the secret of choosing cool products, making them look irresistible to your audience and advertising them efficiently to get high profits very fast. You'll see how this strategy works once we upload a winning product to your store and give you tools to advertise it. Why do you need to learn our secret product advertising strategy anyway? Make your ads effective. We already spent days and thousands of dollars on finding the right strategy, so now you could save yours. Scale your business with a powerful technique. You can apply it to many products and get profit. Save your money on hiring a marketer. You'll be able to professionally advertise your store by yourself from now on. Increase your profit. The more effective your ads are, the more money appears in your bank account. After you order the winning product ad strategy service, what we do for you? Analyze recent product ads on social media. Select 3 winning products for your store and you choose one of them. Prepare an attractive page of this product on your site. Optimize this page to make it highly convertible. Craft 3 catchy video ads plus 1 image ad for your winning product. Give you an effective and proven promotional strategy guide with all your further steps to help you create ads that convert. Start promoting your business today with our professional assistance.